Start our little journey here with a bit of a review of the musical alphabet. For some reason, we always start with C, move on to D, and then a little walk up to E, moving forward to F, and then right on up to G. And this is where in our musical alphabet we roll over to A. Then almost back to where we started, B, and back home to C. Yay! And here we have our holy circle of fifths, starting with C, no sharps or flats, G with one sharp, F sharp, D with two sharps, F sharp and C sharp, and A, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. Moving on to the key of E, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and then to B with F sharp, C sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. And here we have to make a decision, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, and E sharp, or B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, and C flat. And now we're solidly in flats territory, key of D flat, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and G flat. A flat, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat. Here we have E flat with B flat, E flat, A flat. Moving on to B flat with B flat and E flat. Then to F with one flat, B flat, and back to C where we started. Okay, so the order of sharps is F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, B sharp. And just say to yourself, fat cats go down alleys eating bugs. And the order of the flats is backwards for the sharps, B-E-A-D-G-C-F, spells the word bead, and then you'll have to figure out what you want to do for the last three. So that's it for the circle of fifths. Enjoy. See you next time.